Last month, a 28-year-old software engineer sat in his therapist's office and made a startling confession. He said he didn't need friends anymore because his AI understood him better than any human ever could. He represents a global trend. Right now, over 200 million people every single week are opening chat windows to have deep, emotional conversations. They are venting about bad days, sharing their deepest secrets, and asking for relationship advice from language models. This behavior points to a deeper transformation. Millions of hours of artificial empathy are physically altering the human brain. The brain during a normal conversation is an intensive neurological workout. Neural nodes are rapidly firing to calculate tone of voice, read facial microexpressions, and constantly assess the risk of rejection. Compare that to an AI interaction. The intense calculation stops. An AI never judges you, it never interrupts, and it never has a bad day. You get a frictionless shortcut directly to a reward, bypassing the high cognitive load of human connection. This biological shortcut is effectively rewiring social habits. Recent data shows that 37% of Gen Z Americans now prefer talking to an AI over a real person when they are feeling stressed. This preference reflects the brain functioning as an evolutionary efficiency machine, optimizing for the path of least emotional resistance. Genuine human interaction produces a specific neurochemical payout, oxytocin. This hormone builds trust and actively reduces the biological sensation of loneliness. But the readout of AI interaction looks different. You get a sharp hit of dopamine from instant stimulation, but the oxytocin flatlines completely. These interactions act as emotional junk food. The perfect responses trick your brain into feeling temporarily full, while leaving it biologically starved of actual connection. Because of neuroplasticity, the brain rapidly adjusts its baseline expectations. When exposed to constant, frictionless responses, the brain begins to lose its tolerance for the complexity of human relationships. Researchers at the MIT Media Lab quantified this shift. They found that individuals who rely heavily on AI for emotional support showed a 23% reduction in their real-world social attempts. This decline occurs within just 90 days. In 3 months, the brain's social muscle atrophies, losing the patience required for the unpredictable flaws and delays inherent in real people. AI is training the human brain to abandon the effort required to maintain genuine relationships. AI addiction is uniquely dangerous because it entirely masks the feeling of loneliness. You feel heard and engaged, which keeps the underlying psychological damage invisible. This masked isolation feeds into a larger national emergency. The U.S. Surgeon General has declared loneliness a public health crisis, with 61% of Americans reporting regular feelings of severe isolation. Therapists report that 72% of their patients now use AI as a primary emotional outlet. These individuals exhibit extreme fragility when eventually forced to confront real-world uncertainty. The long-term physiological cost is lethal. Research from Harvard Medical School links social isolation to a 26% increase in early death risk, a danger comparable to smoking 15 cigarettes a day. As the average American crosses the threshold of 4 hours of daily AI interaction, society is quietly accelerating a lethal health crisis disguised as companionship. Managing this requires strict emotional boundaries. AI remains a powerful tool for productivity and creativity, provided it does not become a primary source of connection. The difficulties of human interaction, the awkward silences, and the vulnerability are essential biological features. These are the moments where empathy and personal growth actually occur. Monitor your own avoidance patterns. Use the instinct to open an AI chat during moments of social anxiety as a physical signal to seek out a real person instead. In a world optimized for artificial convenience, choosing the unpredictable difficulty of human connection is the ultimate act of staying human.